Hi guys, this is Marley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you the 3 easy flowers to grow in your garden that helps in pollination. It is very important to have some bees and butterflies in your garden to help in pollinating your plants. For example, your cucumbers, your squash, and some other vegetables that you are growing in your garden will produce more fruits if you have lots of bees to pollinate the female flowers. And in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite flowers to grow because they are very easy to grow, they're very easy to maintain, and they grow well in the summertime. One of the easiest flowers to grow in your garden is zinnia, and look at this. And look at these beautiful butterflies on top of the flowers. You can use zinnias as cut flowers, and we have some more in here. Just look at these beautiful pink zinnia flowers in here. They come in different colors, deep pink, and then in here we have the light pink color. Let's go over to the back and I'm gonna show you another color of the zinnia, and this is one of my favorite. Look at this, guys. Orange with a pink and yellow center. When it buds, the bud is pink, and then when it opens, it looks like this. See that? That is so super cool. You can plant zinnias in pots as well. Now this one here is a very light pink with yellow center. This one is red with yellow center. We have yellow. We have the orange one, and then this one is a different kind of yellow. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then there's also a white color. Look at that. That is so super cool. Another flower that I like to grow in my garden is this one. I love growing all kinds of sunflower. This is the evening sunflower. I have mammoth sunflower. I have the velvet queen and many others. And this is so good because it brings in a lot of pollinators into your garden. Lots of bees buzzing around in here, guys, and it is so super pretty as well. Look at this, guys. These are smaller flowers, but the plant is tall. It's 5 feet tall, and it has so many branches and so many blooms. And my most favorite flowers to grow in my garden, the marigold. Marigolds are one of those flowers that people oftentimes overlook just because they are not as popular as the other flowers, but marigolds are very useful in the garden. Marigolds usually have a certain odor to it depending on the variety that you are planting, and some insects do not like that smell. And because of that, marigolds are used to repel some bad insects in the garden. And one of the good things about marigolds is that marigolds can seed itself. Like all of the marigolds that are growing in my garden this year are volunteers, because 2 years ago I planted a couple of marigolds. They drop their seeds in the ground, and then comes springtime, they grow, and if you let them grow like this, they can grow as tall as 2 to 2.5 feet depending on the variety. If you want, you can also get the smaller variety if you want the shorter ones. There's a yellow color, but this one is the easiest one to grow for me. If I can plant just one type of flower in my garden, it's gonna be the marigold. I hope you will give it a try, guys, because marigolds are very, very easy to grow. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time!